Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gluta White cream. First, always begin with a clean canvas. Thoroughly cleanse your skin to remove any dirt or impurities, then gently pat it completely dry. This ensures the cream can penetrate effectively. Before full application, it's wise to perform a small patch test on your inner arm to check for any sensitivities or reactions. Now for the application itself. Take just a small, pea-sized amount of Gluta White cream onto your fingertips. A little goes a long way. Gently massage it into your skin using light, upward circular motions. Make sure to cover all the areas you wish to treat evenly, allowing the cream to fully absorb. Avoid rubbing too vigorously to protect your skin. For best results, consistency is crucial. Apply your Gluta White cream once or twice daily, typically in the morning and evening, following the product's specific instructions. Remember, regular application over several weeks or months is necessary to see noticeable changes. During the day, always pair your cream with a good broad-spectrum sunscreen of at least SPF 30 to protect your skin. Finally, a few important tips for a safe and effective experience. Always avoid getting the cream directly into your eyes or on any mucous membranes. Store your Gluta White cream in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its potency. If you experience any redness, itching, or severe irritation, stop using the product immediately and consult a healthcare professional.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.